So this is the continuation of the lesson. Yes, handling data. We are going to do the booklet from page 51 to page 53, this page here. So make sure you're using a ruler if you have one, and if you have colors, it will be better for you to work out the bar graphs using colors when you're drawing those bars, different colors in this case, to show the difference in the names or something. Now we solve this page first, page 51. Now what we have here is the same furniture showroom. James visited furniture showroom and sat a tally and saw a tally chart with information about availability of different kinds of furniture. Answer the questions using tally chart. Now the first thing you should do, because this one does not include frequency or the numbers, you can just use a pencil and write the numbers next to these tallies. That's the easiest way to do it. This one you can, as you say, this means 5, so we just need to count this one. This 5 plus 4, we know this is 9, this is 15, 10, 5, 10, 15 plus 2, that is 17, and this is 5 plus 1, that is 6. Then this one is 10, 5, 5, that is 10 plus 4, that is 14. Now with that information we can be able to solve the question down here. So the first question, how many sofas are there? So we see we have already done it, so it makes your work easier. So we can easily write the answer is 9. Next, how many coats are there? This is a coat, so this is the number here, it is 6. Very easy when you have done this already. How many chairs are there than tables? So if you want to count the number of chairs more than tables, you need to do some mathematics. You need to subtract the number of chairs, subtract the number of tables. So the question is 17 minus 14, which gives you 3. Next question, which kind is the most available furniture? Which kind is the most available furniture? Or simply, which has the highest number of this? So the highest number is 17. So that tells you it is the chair. It is the most available. Next question, how many furniture are there in total? How many furnitures are there in total? So you just need to count these numbers. So you use a calculator, use a notebook and try to answer this, to add these numbers. So that is 9 plus 17, that gives us 26, plus 6, that is 32, 32 plus 14, that gives us 46. So if you were working out somewhere, you should have easily gotten that answer. So what I'm going to do here, I will fill with you this, then I will ask you to answer these questions using the information we have here. Then later, after we complete the chapter, I will give you the answers. So please try to work out on your own. So we are going to use the numbers given up here to make the graph. So Adam is 40. So this is about books on each of the interests. So Adam is 40, so we just need to check where 40 is. This 40. So we're going to draw a rectangle. Remember, you should use a ruler, a bar, until where 40 is for Adam. If you have colors, you can just color the inside of this one to make it more appealing or to make it look good. Now Maria is 24, so we can see where 24 is. So on this one you have to jump one but just to space them in between. So it's going to be there. So this is Maria. The next one is Scott. Scott is 64. So 64, you can see where it is up here. So you have to draw until where 64 is. There. So draw that bar. There. Then you come to Frank. Frank is 32. So just check where 32 is. 32 is there. And after that, draw there. As I've said, if you have colors, please color them. Color them if you have colors, please. Then this is 56 for Linda. It's going to look that way. So with this information, it will be very easy for you to answer the questions you have done here. If, for example, I look at the first question, what unit of scale is used to display the number of pages read? So unit of scale is, let me just explain this question. Unit of scale means the number of, what represent the number of boxes. So one box means what? So you can see the difference between one to the other one is 8. So from 0 to 8, 8 to 16. So the difference of all these will be 8 as you move upward. So the unit of scale will be 1 square represent or equals to 8 pages. So except that question, I believe the rest of the questions are going to be easy for you to try to answer. So I will give that as homework. We'll move on to this page, page 53. Is comparing scales with different intervals. So you can see what we have here. We are saying Kevin Animal Sanctuary conducted a survey about the students on their favorite animals and recorded their data. Using the data, write a title, a label, and axis. Make appropriate scales and draw a bar graph. So you can see what the title is. So it's going to be a short title. So you can say, because these are all animals, you can say favorite animal as the title. That would be the easiest one to write. So as you normally say, this side is normally the side where we write the numbers. So, and this will be the name of the animals. Okay. So this will be the name of the animals, this will be the numbers. So you can see an example given here. So here we can say the number of animals here. And then this one, you can use this one to give you the clue. It will be the names of the animal. You can just write the name, just to be specific. Write the name of the animal. Then we use the same criteria we have done in the previous one. So we jump the first square, so we write the name of the animal next to it. Lion. Then we jump one, just to create space for the writing of the names. Elephant. We jump one again. So we go to snake. Jump one again, we have panda. And then jump one, we have tiger. Now the good thing with this one, they are all multiples of 10. You can see all these are multiples of 10, and also they are multiples of 5. So you can easily make this one using 5 or 10. And the best way I believe to use is 5, because you can see we have 5s between them. So we can say the first number is 0. Then we are going to use 5 as our scale now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now, I would like you to use the same this information you have done here to now make the bar by yourself. I will give the answers later, but you must try to answer this one on your own first. Just in case you make mistakes, please use a pencil. Do not shade until you have checked the answer. But if you are sure of your answers, you can draw and shade it. If you have any question, you can normally ask, or I believe your parents are next to you, so you can simply ask for clarification if you need any clarification from that. I will give you the answers later, so just try to do it on your own. I'll give the answers. Thank you.